Hello everyone. Do you know how to reduce your manual work using hyperlink function? As we could use the hyperlink in Excel for multiple factors, most of the repeated works could be eliminated. Here, we have the test case. Sending EOD status to stakeholders. We need to complete the following steps to prepare the reports. Step 1. Need to copy the data from various workbook. Step 2. Get the time zone details from web page. Step 3. Saving output file. Step 4. Send email to stakeholder. Let's explore step by steps how we could use hyperlink to reduce the manual efforts on above workings. I have a workbook and created the hyperlink for each activity. Step 1. Extract the information from two different workbooks, workbook 1 and workbook 2. Both file has been saved by users in different path. I don't need to navigate the each path every time to open the Excel. I have created the hyperlink to open workbooks, so that I could avoid the manual efforts to navigate and open the workbooks. Opening workbook 1 using hyperlink, copy the data and paste into report workbook. Now, I will close the workbook 1. Opening workbook 2 using hyperlink, copy the data and paste into report workbook. Step 2. Getting time zone details from web page. I need to paste the date stamp in the report where I need to access the from web page to get the exact timing. Once I take the date details from web page, it needs to be pasted in home page. We have multiple sheets in this workbooks. So, I have created a hyperlink to select home page. Now, I am able to select the home page without scrolling the Sheets tab. Step 3. Creating a new file into specific path. As I am able to create the new file using hyperlink, I don't need to select the path details and workbook details while saving the workbook. Step 4. Sending email to stakeholder. As I am able to open the email by using hyperlink, I don't need to go to Outlook to open new email. Now, using hyperlink functions, we have reduced the manual efforts on repeated activities. Stay connected to know more about Excel function and become an Excel master. Spend 2 minutes every day and upskill your office skill.